got a straight line, and you got 2 points on the line where the line meets this quadratic. And what's the first part? Probably find the equation of AB. Yep. Okay, so just we need these 2 points first, 2, 12, and 6, 4. Oh, actually, just before we go on, let me just make a beautiful graph for you from the last question. What was it? X cubed minus 9x squared? Yeah, what was the next part? No, the last cubic, the last question. 9x cubed minus 9x squared plus 27x minus 23. Okay, so let's just have a look at that beautiful graph. Okay, we zoom out. Yeah. So it's the same as what we drew. Okay. Now, 6. What was the first point? A? 212 and B? Okay, so we should get the slope first. Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that's minus 8 over 4. So that's minus 2. Y equals mx plus c. I'll put in this point. 4 equals minus 12 plus c. C equals 16. So y equals minus 2x plus 16. So that's okay. The next part is maybe find the area. Let's see. Oh, no. Next part is find the tangent at 6, 4. Okay. And what was the quadratic? Y equals x squared. Yeah. Okay, so you know that if you want a tangent line, you need the slope. And what does the slope equal? The derivative. So the slope is the derivative, which is 2x minus 10. What was the x though for this point B? It's 6. So that would be 12 minus 10, which is 2. So you have y equals 2x plus c, and then I can use my point 64 to get the c. So 64 goes in, and I'll get 4 equals 12 plus c. C equals minus 8. So I have y equals 2x minus 8. Okay, no? Yeah. Now the next part's probably the area. No. Next part now is find where the tangent meets the x-axis. Okay, so how can I find where this tangent meets the x-axis? What do I make here? Y equals 0, yeah. So I get 0 equals 2x minus 8, so x equals 4. So that's okay. Finally, the area. So find the shaded area. Whoops. Okay. go. Oops, gone too far. Okay. This is part 4. Right, so if you remember, when you want the area between two curves, it's the upper curve minus the lower curve. So the area will be from 2 to 6. And which is the upper piece? Is it the line or the quadratic?
Line.
The line, yeah. The line minus 2x plus 16. So minus 2x plus 16 minus the quadratic dx, and the quadratic is x squared minus 10x plus 28, x squared minus 10x plus 28. So the area will be from 2 to 6, minus x squared, minus is plus, so 10x minus 2x is 8x, and 16 minus 28, which is minus 12, isn't it? Yep, dx. So this will equal minus x cubed over 3 plus 8x squared over 2 minus 12x, 2. So this equals minus 1/3 x cubed plus 4x squared minus 12x, 2. Okay, so we'll put the 6 in first, and then we'll put the 2 in second. 6 cubed, 36 times 6, 90 is 180, and 18 and 18, 216? Great. But 216 divided by 3, so 72. Oh my goodness. It's not bad for being so tired. Minus 72. 6 squared is 36, times 4 is 144. Whew. Minus 72. With a minus here. Minus 8 over 3 plus 16 minus 24. Thank goodness. Okay, so actually this all cancels to 0, which is good. So you're just left with 8 over 3, and then this is minus 8, is it? But there's a minus, hang on. Yeah, the minus 16 minus 24 is minus 8. But there's a minus here, so plus 8. Is that right? Yes? 32 over 3? It is? You checked? Thank goodness. Okay. Well, actually, I have the answer here to confirm. Yes. Yeah. Or 10.7. 8 marks. Okay. 8 marks is a lot for this question, I think. So I know it's long, but part of the reason it was long is because I don't have a calculator. So like if I had a calculator, I could have stopped sooner. But really 8 marks is quite generous, because if you think about it, all you're really doing is integrating. And if you look at section A of the exam, I think there was an integration question in section A, wasn't there? Wasn't there an integration in section A? There was, and this one was a little bit tricky, and this was 5 marks, and this one here was 4 marks, you know. So, I often find, sometimes in the exam, whoever writes the exam, Maybe I'll stop the video before I make